Hi, today I would like to present to you my final project, Data Visualization for Behavior Change. There are some data visualizations are designed to change behaviors, like the screen time feature on the iPhone, like some budgeting features on the finance app. And I'm always wondering, do they actually work? How could we improve them with the knowledge from psychology and behavioral science? So for that purpose, I designed 4 different treatments and with a baseline version model, try to explore that what kind of treatment can maybe help user to change their behavior. So the baseline version looks like this. It's pretty simple. You can hover on different stack bars to see the exact time you spend on different categories. And for the treatment A, I use less colors and also put the red orange color for the focus area. Looks like this. So it will be more obvious, like where you spend most of time on which specific category. For the treatment B, I'm adding different comparison, like the US global average and also the daily average from your peers and also the data from your last week. So you can compare to different data and to see if you need to change your behavior or not. And for the treatment C, it's about balancing the information depth and also the complexity. As you can see here in the baseline version, there is so much information and very dense. So what about we can split them into 2 different layers with simplified contents on each layer. So as you can see here on the main graph, it's pretty easy to see the different values you spend on each day. But when you click into the window, you can see how the time distribution on different categories of apps. And for treatment D, it's about adding summarizations using behavior. And also we can give you some suggestions. In this case, maybe we will suggest you to cut down your time on the social networking app. For the survey structure, it's pretty standard. Basically, we will ask similar questions before and after the treatments, and also use the attention check questions to make sure all the surveys are valid. And in this survey, we received 554 responses, and based on the attention check questions and how long the survey takers finish their surveys, I finally chose 201 surveys to perform the data analysis. So here is a heat map showing where the user's attention are mostly like to be checked. It's interesting to notice that the users are always paying attention to the highest bars, whatever the color is light or dark, like here, 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 as you can see here. And also it's very interesting to see that users actually pay little attention to the title, like these parts, daily average, compared to the bar part. For the behavior change measurement, we ask the same question before and after the different treatment. So we will be able to calculate their behavior change degree. The negative value means users want to decrease their screen time, and the positive value means they want to increase their screen time. In our data visualization, it's very obvious that the user is spending way too many hours. However, many survey takers do want to increase their screen time after seeing that data visualization. So based on the post-data visualization score, the treatment A works best to change behavior, and it aligns with the results of another survey question about which elements in the data visualization can change your behavior mostly. So the most popular answer is colors. For the gender and the race distribution, we achieved balance in different treatments. So for the future exploration, I should have bigger sample size to set all the treatments have similar pre-test condition. I would also love to keep exploring what other elements may change users' behavior. I'm also super interested in trying to dig deeper to understand why so many survey takers want to increase their screen time. Another future exploration could be to explore to what degree behavior change will depend on pre-test attitudes.